it's definitely on the left. For airflow, yes. Came in on February.
Hi.
He's so cool. I can put this down.
So excited to be back. He's coming up for air. Oh, and he's just a little fluff. And so much healthier than when we found him.
Knowing that his original rescue was from the community, someone calling FWC, informing of his distress and getting that rescue. So having the community show up again is a wonderful feeling. I absolutely love that. That's one of my favorite parts of being able to go on these returns, is seeing the community have the same love for manatees that we do.
What is amazing is it's not every day you find a manatee in a storm drain. And so the entire community came together to rescue him, which was a big deal and very inspiring. And then he was able to go to SeaWorld and continue his journey. And now the community came out and helped return him.